my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very special and delicious recipe. This pasta with shrimp and sausage comes out creamy and delicious, and I am sure that you are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, showing you what type of pasta I am going to use to make this delicious and amazing shrimp and sausage pasta. Nice and creamy and nice and delicious. And here I want to show you what type of sausage I'm going to use. This is the spicy one, and I'm only using half. I don't need the whole container. Here I'm going to slice nice and thin, really nice and thin, so that the sausage really release all that amazing flavor into the creamy sauce. Once this is done, we're going to transfer it, and I want to show you the cheese that I'm using. This cheese is really going to give this pasta, oh my gosh, such an amazing flavor. Of course, I have my tomatoes here. I'm going to slice away. Once they're sliced, we're going to continue with the garlic cloves. Look at this. It's so easy to prepare this amazing and creamy pasta. I'm using heavy whipping cream. And now I want to wake up my 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to take the casing out. I am going to dice really small so that the garlic really release all that amazing and delicious flavor. Once this is done, let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have boiling water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm adding my pasta. Here I have the shrimp that is already nice and deveined, and I'm taking the casing off. The measurement, the size of the shrimp is 15-18. It's a pretty large shrimp. And here I just want to remove all the casing. Once this is done, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we want to cover everything really good. You want to make sure that the shrimp is nice and dry. And now I have all my ingredients ready to go to make this amazing and cook the shrimp and the sausage. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to obtain 3 cups of the delicious water where the pasta is boiling, and then I'm ready to transfer the pasta and take away all that liquid. I'm going to leave it there so that it comes to room temperature. Now I am ready to cook the shrimp. The pot is nice and hot. You want to make sure that the pot is nice and hot so that the shrimp doesn't release the liquid and it starts getting nice and golden brown. The shrimp doesn't take too long. If your pot is hot, the shrimp is going to really get nice and crispy, but it's not going to release all the delicious juices. So here you want to make sure that you flip. They're going to cook really fast. They're going to turn pink very easily. And now leave them there for another minute or two. And then you're going to remove. Make sure that you remove them and then add your sausage. Look at this. My home really smells amazing. And now I'm adding the sausage. I want the sausage to get nice and crispy. The aroma of the spicy sausage, oh my God, amazing. Once this is done, we're going to remove, add the sausage into the shrimp, and then we're going to start making the amazing sauce. I have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. To this, we're going to add our tomatoes, our garlic, and we're going to let it simmer until the tomatoes get nice and mushy. And after everything is nice and mushy, we are ready to add the cheese in the center, the heavy whipping cream. Oh my God. Of course, I'm using the pasta water, 1 or 2 cups. And now I'm going to, and then cover it for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, add your amazing shrimp, your sausage, your pasta. And of course, to this, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese and some parsley. And then you are ready to enjoy the most creamy, delicious pasta. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, this pasta is so creamy and delicious. My mouth is watering, and I know that you guys are really going to love this creamy and delicious shrimp and sausage pasta. Look at this. It just came out amazing. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy, cheesy pasta with the combination of shrimp and sausage. Let me tell you, this is just perfection made at home. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh, so creamy. I'm totally in love with this recipe. Mmm. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and creamy, delicious shrimp and sausage pasta. It came out amazing. See you soon. Bye-bye.